Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how I will be packaging my Etsy orders. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting on gloves to avoid my fingerprints getting on the keychains. These are keychains that I've already made. If you'd like to see a video of how I make these keychains, please leave a comment below. So this keychain is a new arrival that I will tell you more about later on in the video. I'm just now showing you the tools that I will be using to put the keychain together, like the leaf charm, the tassels, and so forth. This is another keychain that I've been working on. I really love the colors. I plan on adding name to those keychains. Please let me know if you like this one in the comment below. So now I'm just choosing the color tassel that I want to add on the keychains. So I'm using the split ring, and I also use snap hooks on some of the keychains. It depends on what the customer wants. I got these from Amazon, so I'll leave them in the description below, a link as well. And also the leaf charms that I love so much, I'll leave those in the description as well. So now I'm taking a cotton pad and just spraying some water on it to wipe my fingerprints off the keychains. So now I'm just putting the split ring along with the charm on the keychain. I'm using my tool to just snap it together so the charm doesn't fall off. I don't remember what it's called. It's a pliers or something like that. Yeah, this really gave me a hard time to like put everything together. It really takes time, so you've got to have patience when doing this, and voila, here goes it. So it's two-sided keychains. You've got the name and you've got the birthday message on the back. So I offer two-side keychains. Yes, you've got the name, and on the back it says March babies are the best. So if you're December, January, February, March, yeah, you can just personalize it to how you want it. Yes, so now I'm doing the second one, putting on the charm and snapping it together. So now I'm trying to decide which tassel color to go with, because these keychains are holographic apart from the blue one. They're holographic vinyl, so they've got two colors, so when the light hits them it kind of glisten and it shows another color. But because this one is a gift, I'm not sure which one she's going to like, but the white one is an order and the pink one is a gift, a surprise gift. Yes, and that's it for putting the keychains together. Now I'm going to go on and put them on the keychain display card. So with these keychain display card, I DIY them. So I made them by myself. I also made the Your Thing official logo as well. If you'd like to see how I made the display card and the Your Thing official logo, please let me know in the comment below. I would make a video. I will make a video of that as well. So that's how it looks. So for the keychain display cards, I want it to be very clean and simple, so that's why I didn't add anything else. But my logo, I just want the attention to be on the keychain, so I didn't add anything else. So now I'm adding tape to hold the keychain in place on the display card. On this keychain I add some glitters inside it. So yeah, this is all, both keychains are holographic keychains, by the way, so when the light hits it, it changes color and it glistens. So I really love this one. I've got a lot of holographic colors, so if it's not available on the website as an option, you can message me and I'll let you know whether it's available or not. Okay, so after I've added those keychain on the display card, I get a tissue paper and wrap them in. I'm trying to be more environmental friendly with my packaging, so that's why I use the tissue paper, and it had more versatility and life to the packaging, so I said I'll use tissue paper, and it's much cheaper as well. Now I'm using a thank you sticker just to stick it on the front and make it look like that envelope effect that we're going for. And stick it to hold it down in place, and it looks like an envelope. So I love that concept of it. So now this is my Your Thing slogan, so it's That's So You. I wanted to put That's So Your Thing, but I don't know which one I want to go with as yet, so because I've already printed these, I'm using the That's So You slogan. So now I'm placing it above the thank you sticker, and look at that, so clean. I love it. So simple. Now I'm taking a bubble wrap and I'll also wrap it again inside the bubble wrap. I'm taking the tape to hold it in place, but what I was saying, I've got two ideas of how I want to package my keychains. After looking back on the video, I think I should have put the tissue paper inside the drawstring bag and then bubble wrap the drawstring bag after I've put the key card inside of it. I don't know if I'm confusing you, but yeah, that's what I will be doing from now on. So what I'm doing now is I'm writing a thank you card, a little note, and add it, put it on and stick it on the front. I don't remember where I got these sticky papers from, but I think it might be the supermarket in the book section, I'm not sure. But yeah, now I'm putting it inside of the drawstring bag. I got these bags off Amazon as well. I made my logo and I just print them on using the heat press. I might also make a video of how I create my logo using Canva and Cricut machine and the heat press and all of that. So this drawstring bag is like a gift from me to you, so it's very reusable. You can use it again to do whatever you want. I'm trying to use as less plastic as I can, so that's why I use tissue paper to wrap my keychain my keychains instead of the clear bags. Even though it's very tempting to use those clear bags, but yeah, this is what I like for now, and I think that it just gives it a different feel, you know. Now I'm on to the second keychain. I'm just going to time lapse this one. Yeah, I always have to use something to hold down the other part because it's a one-man job. So yeah, so fold it in the envelope as well. Then I use the thank you sticker and stick it together to hold it down, and then I get my slogan and stick it above the thank you note. And yes, so after all that, after I've placed it inside the drawstring bag, then I put it inside the packaging bag and put the mailing label on it, and then it's ready to be shipped. So yeah, this is how I package my keychains. So yep, thanks for watching. If you want to see some more of my keychains, you can go on my Etsy site, which is at Your Thing Official. So yep, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what video you'd like to see next. Thank you. Bye.